Hello viewers, for DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing these LED upgraded bulbs from Auxbeam. These are the 912, 921, T15 or W16W LED replacement bulbs that was used to upgrade my excessively dim cargo lights on my 3rd generation Dodge Ram. A link to these bulbs will be included in the video description. Here's the new replacement bulbs. As you can see, there is 2 to a pack. Rated at 20 watts, 400% increase in brightness, non-polarity so they can be installed either way, no canbus errors, no flickers, and no flashing. Made with 6063 aluminum construction with quick heat dissipation and has a lifespan of 50,000 hours. As a brief overview, the replacement is very straightforward and no modifications are required. The light assembly is removed from the cab. It's held in with 2 Phillips screws. Once out, this can be done in place or completely disconnect the assembly. I prefer the second route as I can provide a better demonstration. The cargo lights are on the outside. These are 2 in total. The Auxbeam replacements come 2 in a package as mentioned earlier. Twist the connectors counterclockwise and pull it straight out. The bulbs simply pull straight out of their connectors. Here's a comparison between the incandescent and the new LED replacement. As you can see, they are roughly the same size. They are the same in diameter with a slightly higher profile which fits into the light assembly just fine. They have a 360-degree light output design maximizing its illumination. A stock 912 incandescent bulb is rated at 150 lumens, while the new LED replacement from Auxbeam is rated at 2600 lumens. Push in the new bulbs into each of the connectors. Then install the connector back into the assembly. Twist clockwise to lock it back into place. Once in place, here you can see the inside of the assembly. With the slightly higher profile, they do extend further in, but does not interfere with the construction. After that is installing the light assembly. Plug the connector back into place. Here's a test with the new LEDs. Next is a test with the LED on the left and the incandescent on the right. As you can see, there is a substantial increase in brightness plus a much cleaner color. The LED also has a faster startup time. Finally is installing those Phillips screws. Now for the comparison at night. First is a view from the rear of the truck. The LEDs have a color rating of 6500 Kelvin, which is a cool white, much cleaner than compared to the incandescent bulbs. As you can see on the ground around the truck is a substantially more lit area compared with the LEDs. A view from the truck side now. This is a great upgrade for having more view at night when loading your truck, reversing, using your keyless entry when walking to your vehicle, or even getting rid of those pesky tailgaters. This bulb has an IP68 rating and only has a current draw of 0.09 amps versus the incandescent where it's about 1 amp, meaning less load on your electrical system. Overall, this is a great upgrade for anyone's truck. Have you purchased these bulbs? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, it's a huge help to me, and if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.